I'm sure you already know that the title is the single most important part of your YouTube video. You ever notice how everything is the first thing that you need to do when you're making a YouTube video, or everything is the most important thing when you're making a YouTube video? I've noticed that too. In fact, I've even fallen prey into doing that in a lot of my own videos, where I make everything seem like it's the most important because that's how you get the clicks. But this legitimately is probably the most important thing that you're going to do, and that is your title. You need to come up with a great title, otherwise no one's going to click on the link. No one's going to check out your video. If you have a bad title, or a title that doesn't tell the viewer what your video is about, why are they going to click on it? If you don't tell them that, hey, this video is going to teach you how to ride a bike, and they're looking to learn how to ride a bike, why would they click on that video? It doesn't make sense. Find a way to convey to people that not only do they want to click on your video, but they need to click on your video. Want versus need. It's the difference between want and need. Figure out the ways to make people need to watch your video. And to do that, look at the top performers in your niche. Look at the people who have the most views, the most subscribers. What is their video like? What is their title like? How many words is it? Is it asking a question? Is it making a statement? Is it teasing them somehow? Is it just giving them the description of what it is? Every niche is different. Every title is going to be different in those niches. Some will play off better if it's a little more mysterious and doesn't tell you exactly what the title's about. Others will be much more specific. And then some of them will ask questions, and they'll play on the FOMO, the fear of missing out. But you want to figure out what's working in your niche the best. And then you got to figure out how to make your titles better than everybody else's. Do you have a great title that's going to catch people's eye and really hook them and get them in and make them need to watch your video? They're going to check your video out before they check anybody else's. And that's the whole point of what we're doing, is to get the views, to get people to watch the video, to learn what we're about. The point of what we're doing is to get people to watch so that we can monetize our channels and we can make a little extra money, and then maybe someday we can retire or buy a pretty dress. I've been looking for a pretty dress for a long time. I haven't found one that fits my dimensions right, because I think it would just be a lot more expensive. So I need to make more money. That's it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Juggle them up. I don't know. I can't juggle. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Catch your first fish.